Welcome to an example of entering interval answers. So they're showing us some examples and how the intervals look. Let's take a closer look at this. So basically, whenever you have less than or greater than, you use parentheses. And when you have less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, you use brackets. Why is that? Well, because a bracket has a straight edge to it, meaning you're straight on the number, you're equal, right? These mean they're less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So if you're equal, you're straight on the number, so the brackets have a straight edge. Whereas these, greater than and less than, if you're greater than or less than a number, then you're not equal to it, you're not straight on it, so you're just around it. So that's why the parentheses are rounded for those kinds of answers. So for example, if x is a number between 3 and 5, that's what that's saying, right? X is greater than 3. He's on the, when you read these symbols, this means x is between 3 and 5. He's greater than the 3, right? He's on the wide mouth side of the 3, and he's smaller than the 5. He's on the narrow side of the symbol with the 5. So he's greater than the 3, smaller than the 5. He's between 3 and 5, and we'd use parentheses, because there's no equals bars. Where here, the next one, we put an equal on the 5, so notice we have the bracket there, because you can be straight on the 5, right? X has got to be, it's between 3 and 5, but it can be equal to 5, so you have a bracket there. Here, X is greater than 3, so parentheses again. And here's two statements. The or in the middle, we do with a U. U is our symbol for or. Okay, so let's try this out. How would we do this right here? This would be parenthesis 2 to 5, bracket on the 5, because of the equals, or is the U. It's unite, just means put them together. You're this or you're that. You can be the first united with the second. X is greater than 7. How do you say greater than 7? Well, that's where we bring in the infinity, just like here, x greater than 3. See, on a number line, I think that's the easiest way to see it. You can go from 3 to infinity, huh? That's greater than 3. That's all the numbers from 3 on up, 3 to infinity. So greater than 7 would be 7 to infinity. Parentheses on both those because there's no equals bar there. And you always put parentheses by infinity because you can never be straight on infinity. You just go towards infinity. You're never straight on it. So there we go.